Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp profile info connecting problem. See this your problem. Okay, follow my one step. At first, your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click on apps. Now click on search bar. Now search your WhatsApp. Now scroll down. Now click on storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Go back. Now click on permissions. Now allow this permission. Okay. Now all permission and go back. Now click on your Play Store. Now search bar. Now search your WhatsApp update. WhatsApp update. Now installing update. Now restart your phone. Now your phone restart. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thank you for watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.